हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन इज इन कॉकरोच ए पेयर ऑफ एंटीने अराइज फ्रॉम मेम्ब्रेनस सॉकेट. Antennae are the sensory structures present in cockroach, and these arise from the head region of a cockroach. So this is the head of a cockroach, and there are one pair of large eyes. These are called the compound eyes because each eye has many visual units which are known as ommatidia. And here in front of these there is a pair of socket. So each socket is known as antennal socket. This is membranous socket or antennal socket, and from each socket arises jointed appendage, and these appendages are segmented. That's why they are called jointed, and these segments present on the anterior end, these are antennae. So this is antenna and plural is antennae. Now these antennae, as you can see, there are segments, and these segments are known as podomeres. So each antenna is having several segments, और इन segments को हम कहते हैं podomeres. अब जो ये एंटीना होते हैं, these are sensory structures. इसका मतलब ये stimulus को receive करते हैं. So if they are receiving the stimulus, it means they are having sensory structures. So these are sensory structures and these have receptors. Receptor मतलब receive करने वाला. तो ये कौन कौन से signal receive करेंगे? These receive the signal of touch. So touch receptors are known as tactile receptors. They receive smell. So smell के लिए जो receptors होते हैं, they are known as olfactory receptor. And also they receives the signal of temperature. और temperature के लिए जो receptors होते हैं, they are known as thermoreceptor. So these three types of receptors are present on antennae, and with the help of these structures, cockroach can detect the presence of food and any other objects in its surrounding. So it can monitor the environment. So now let's see the options one by one. So first is without any sensory receptors. So this is wrong because it had sensory receptors. Many segmented. So this is true because you can see that each antenna is having many segments. So this statement is true. Next is sensory receptors that help in monitoring the environment. So this is true because with the help of these receptors, the cockroach can detect these stimuli from its surroundings. So they are helping in monitoring the environment. So both B and C statements are true. So the right answer of this question is option D. Thank you.